Good morning, students. In today's class, we are going to discuss the question number 8. So, what is that? Figure depicts the racing track whose left and right ends are semicircle. The distance between the two inner parallel line segments is 60 meters, and they are each of wide 106 meter long. So, if the track of 10 meter wide, so find the distance around the track along its inner edge. And the second question is area of the track. So first let me draw the figure and let me give the visualize that, and let me put the values for that. So actually this is a track. This is a track. So what they told is here, look at here carefully. So visualizing will take more time to you. Once if you crystal clearly visualize the data here, and nothing is going to be difficult. See here, the distance between the inner parallel line segments is 60 meters. See, so that means the distance between these two will be 60 meters. They were telling 60 meters. Next one, what they told. So this track is 10 meter wide. This is 10 meter wide. It is also going to be 10 meter wide. And what they told, and they are each are of 106 meter long. So this distance between these two will be 106 meter long. They were telling. So 106 meter long here to here. So this is also going to be 60 meter. So now look at here carefully. They stuck with the two semicircle on the either ends. So here what we have to find is, first one is the distance around the track. So the distance around the track in the sense this distance and this distance and this distance and this distance. So look at here carefully. So here if you want to calculate the distance here, so what we have to do, what we should do is so simple. So this length, actually they have to roam around this length, not outer edge. So that means this length, that means the semicircle circumference. So two semicircle circumference plus these two lengths. So distance around track. So here people going to do the mistake. You are going to take like this. No, this is a track actually. So now, so first is 106. I am starting from here, and this is 2 pi r. Sorry, half the 2 pi r. Again, this is 106. Again, half the 2 pi r. Half of the circumference, semicircle. So here 2 cancelled and 2 cancelled here. 106 plus 106 is 212, and pi r plus pi r will become 2 pi r. Look at here carefully. Our doubt is now whether r is 30 or 40. So here people are going to do the mistake. Most of you going to take it as 40. No, why? They have to roam like this, so that this will be the semicircle. Actually they have to go around like this. That means like this. So 2 pi r means what? 2 into radius is what? Half of this one, 30. 2 into 22 by 7 into radius will be what? 20. No, 30. So this will become 212 plus this one is 22 for the 44. 44 3 is 132. So 1320 by 7. So this will be 7 to the 14, 12 on the 84. 1484 cross multiplication plus 1320 divided by 7. So if you add these two, what you are going to get? 1320 plus 14. So 1400 plus 1300 first. 1700 plus 104. Sorry, 14 plus 13, 2700. Next one is 28. So 2804 by 7. 2804 by 7. What meters are centimeters? It will be meters, since they have given this in the meter zone. So all the values are in meter zone. So next one is going to be we have to calculate the area of the track. So look at here, area of the track in the sense, what we have to do is, so we need to calculate this area. So to find that area, so from this total area we need to eliminate this boundary area. So total, how we can calculate? So very easy, nothing in that. So otherwise simply so here what I'm going to do is, first I'm going to take this rectangular piece like this. So this is a rectangular piece like this, so it is having some edge. So what we have to do to get this area, actually this is the area I want. To get this area from the total area, this area I have to eliminate. So what is the total area? Look at here, this width is going to be 80 and this length is going to be 106. See, length is 106 and breadth is 80. So here first area is equal to 106 into 80. From this we need to eliminate what? So we have to eliminate the area of this edge, we have to eliminate. So what is the edge length there? So what is the edge length there? So edge length is going to be, how can I write? Let us take it as look at here, actually this area track is this, no? So that means from this total we need to eliminate this. Actually this shaded region we have to eliminate. So what is the shaded region length? 106 into 60, I think this will be 60. So plus, what we have to do from this, so there are two types of the figures here, both are same. From this total semicircle we need to eliminate this circle. So total semicircle is what? Look at here, it would be something like this. Don't worry about this. So it would be something like this. So here I need this area. For that what we have to do is, we need to take this total semicircle, from that we have to cut. So what is the radius of the semicircle? 30 by 60 by 2, 30. What is the radius of the semicircle? 10. So like this, how many are there? 2. So we need to calculate for 1 and multiply by 2. Once again I am telling, the radius of this semicircle is 30. The radius of this semicircle, bigger semicircle, is 40. So simply 2 into, how can I write? Semicircle area. So 2 into half pi r square, some capital R square, minus half pi r square you will get. So if you take half common, so 106 is common, 80 minus 60 you will get 20. So this will be 2 into half also common, 22 by 7 also common, pi also common, r square minus r square. First r is what? 40. Next r is, second r is 30. 40 square minus 30 square. So this can be given as 106 into 20 is 2120 plus 2 will be cancelled. 22 by 7 into a square minus b square form. A plus b into a minus b. A plus b is 70. A minus b is 10. 7 ones are 7 tens are. So this is 2120 plus 2200. So you will get this one as 4320 centimeter square. This is about how we are going to find the how we are going to calculate the value or area of the, once again. So this is the track area we have to calculate. To calculate that one, see, we have to take this and we have to cut this. So this dimensions is 60 and what? 106, and this total dimensions is what? See, 106, and this total is 10 plus 10 will be added. See, width is 10 they have given. This is 10, this is 10, 60 plus 80. So that means from the total 106 into 80 we have to eliminate 106 into 60. Similarly, this area we have to calculate. To calculate that, this total we have to take, from that this we have to eliminate. Pi r square means, so radius is what here? 30, and radius is what there? 40. So from 40 radius we need to eliminate the 30 radius semicircle, you will get this area. So it's like a half ring. So this is all about the question number 8.